no filter, period. This is so this is going to give away for 500. Thank you. Like carrying bread around. Yeah, this is the finished look. Wait. You see, no filter, period. We don't do filtered makeup over here. Flawless or nothing. Really Hannah or nobody. If you're in the city of Port Harcourt, you need really Hannah to be your makeup artist, period. She has a tutorial of this look on her YouTube channel, and I'll tag her for you guys to check her out to learn cool makeup tricks. Yeah. Hi guys, happy weekend. So this is Friday and I think this is 1 p.m. thereabout, and I'm going to the market. This was not what I planned for the day, of course. If it was what I planned to do today, I would have left for the market very early, but I was supposed to start my driving class today, but we had to postpone the class. And because I was heartbroken, I decided, you know what, let's do something else. Because I had already, there's a way I function. I like to like prepare my mind for the day before. I like plan myself that, okay, tomorrow I'm going to be busy. So now that what I thought I would be doing today, I'm not doing it. I feel like the day is just, so I decided to do something else and not be idle throughout the day. So I decided to cook. You guys, have not cooked soup for a while in this house. I've been buying soup. I've been refusing to cook soup for a while. I don't even know why. But today I decided, you know what, because hubby has been begging me to make him afang soup. Not begging, he has just been saying that he misses my afang soup and also my native soup. So I decided, you know what, today let's go make soup. Let me make the afang soup and the native soup. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. Basically, we are going to the market right now. I'm waiting for my ride, so I'm going to the market right now to buy stuff to cook and clock it. They said if you don't have nails fixed, don't clock it, but whatever, clock it. And guys, we're having a giveaway. I decided to do a giveaway, but this giveaway is for when we reach 500 subscribers, because we are 440 something now. And you guys, I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy about the community we are building. I'm so happy that, you know, you guys are subscribing to my channel and you guys are interacting. I'm super grateful. I don't take it for granted. I'm so happy. I mean, it might not seem like a lot to a lot of people, but yeah, it's a lot to me. So we're going to be doing a giveaway for 500 subscribers. In fact, at this point, every milestone, 500 subscribers, giveaway. 800 subscribers, giveaway. 1K subscribers, even more giveaway. If you know what I mean. So we're doing a giveaway for 500 subscribers. Once we click 500 subscribers, you guys, we're doing a giveaway. I'm not sure yet how we're going to pick the people we're going to be doing giveaway with, like people we're going to be giving away to. I'm not sure exactly how we're going to pick them, but I'm very sure that it's going to be mostly people that interact in my comment section. It's going to be people that are moving forward, right? So once we get 500 subscribers, we're definitely doing a giveaway. It's probably going to be 50k giveaway, 100k giveaway. We're going to split it amongst a certain number of people, depending on, you know, how many people that, you know, are worthy of qualify for the giveaway. So I think the criteria for the giveaway is going to be just share. You have to share my page to your friends and family for them to subscribe, and you comment done in the comment section. And of course, I'm going to be getting notifications for people that subscribe. So if I see that, oh, people are actually subscribing, and I'm people in my comment section that commented done, those are the people that I'm going to consider first for the giveaway, before I begin to consider other people that did not comment, because I know some of you are big boys and big girls and big women and big ladies. And you are not going to be interested in this giveaway because it's like chicken change to you guys. But even if it's airtime, I don't know, anything to support you guys, to just not support, appreciate you guys basically. So yeah, stay tuned. Do not forget, once we click 500 subscribers, giveaway, right? So yeah, I think my ride is outside already. I'll be on my way, and let's go to the markets. No makeup. No makeup. what the real to be sure that you actually forgot the phone and told me. Even this pizza came very fast.